Oh,
Assalamualaikum. Right now, on the first day of Indonesian Expo 2024, we are on the booth of Indofood, and one of the famous products of Indofood that already exists in the market here in the county is the Indomie. With us is the country manager, the International Operation Division of Indofood CBF, no other than Brother Philemon Yoga Adi Sadia. Yes, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yeah, I'm so excited to meet the Indomie guy. That's because one of our favorite is the mee goreng.
Yeah, masarap.
Yeah. How can you maintain the competitive market of mee goreng to other products, because it's very popular now in the country, even though a small convenience store patronises the mee goreng.
Yeah, we try, although it's imported, so and it's export quality. Yeah, we try to give you the best quality, but we keep the price affordable. Yeah, in the store now you can buy it for 16, 17, 18 pesos only, one pack. So it's still affordable for most of the people.
Very competitive price, but
Yeah.
a delicious and quality one.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Can you encourage those who visited your booth, or those Filipino who not yet tried the mee goreng or the Indomie?
Yeah, sure. So you can easily find it in your favorite supermarkets or convenience stores, SM, Pure Robinson, 7-Eleven, Alfamart, and all of your nearest store nationwide. So feel free, you may like for Indomie goreng.
Very well said.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, Nana.
You've just heard our interview, an honor to interview the country manager of Indofood CBF, no other than Brother Philemon Yoga Adi Sadia. This is Cynthia Balaguer of PCNJ Online, Dawa, Sakat, Makabuluhang,